Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add your template on Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my story at the top left right here, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a photo of mine. So let's say for example this photo, right? Now after I selected this photo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the sticker at the top next to the music in the text right here. And basically what you're gonna see a pop-up window, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click add your templates right here. And basically after you click on it, basically you're gonna be able to see this is your the template, and just go ahead and you can add like basically after you add the templates, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to place it to whatever place that you actually want. And basically you can add basically a text for that for that basically that template, right? And after you finish, hit next right here at the top, right? And basically continue to double click. And basically what you're gonna do next, you can just go ahead right here and then click the stickers at the top. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click photos. And if you want to add like a new photo, you could just go ahead and add a new photo, and then basically you can just go ahead and add like this one for example, and then select the pen at the top left. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.